Operations on binary numbers. Binary addition. Binary addition is similar to the addition of decimal numbers. When the value of sum exceeds the value 1, say 10 or 11, then 1 is carried over to the left of the current position. The rules for adding two binary digits are given below. For example, let us add the binary numbers 101111 with a base 2 and 10111 with a base 2. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, binary numbers of lower value is subtracted from the binary number of higher value. The following table explains the subtraction of digit y from digit x. If y is greater than x, then 1 is borrowed from the next position. When the binary digit 0 borrows 1 from the next most significant digit, it becomes 10. The rules for binary subtraction. For example, let us subtract the binary number 111 with a base 2 from 1000 with a base 2